So today, our learning target is we're going to use the line of best fit to make predictions about real life data. So we know the line of best fit is a line that we draw that best fits a set of information. It's a really good model. So we're going to take it a step further and we're going to use that line today to make predictions. So our example here has a celebrity. It's a celebrity athlete. It shows how many Twitter followers they have and how much money they get paid every time they tweet about a product. So, for example, LeBron James has 49.3 million followers, and every time he tweets about a product, whether it be sneakers or an energy drink, he gets paid $139,000. Serena Williams is a tennis player. She has 10.8 million followers, and every time she tweets about a product, she makes $30,600. Then we have Gareth Bale, soccer player, Kevin Durant, basketball player, and Tiger Woods, a golfer. And this is how much money they make every time they tweet. So we want to make predictions. That means that we're making educated guesses. So we want to predict the amount of money a person with 23.2 million Twitter followers would be paid just to tweet about a product. So if we want to make a prediction, that way we need a model. We need some sort of way of looking at the information and trying to use it to make guesses. So this is where we use Desmos. So in Desmos, I'm going to make a table and I'm going to enter the data that we have. I click the magnifying glass and there's my line, there's my data. So I need a model. So it looks like this is going to make a line. So I'm going to use y1 tilde mx1 plus b. So here's my line of best fit. So our first prediction is asking us to guess how much money somebody would make if they had 23.2 million Twitter followers. So when I look at the x-axis, I zoom in a little bit. 20 is right here. So 22 is about here. So I'm going to follow it all the way up to my red line. When I click on my line of best fit, an ordered pair comes up. I'm trying to get to 23.2 million followers. So I'm just going to keep clicking. Oh, I went too far. There it is. So at 23.2 million Twitter followers, you would expect someone to get paid $65,242. 65242. And I rounded it. So I rounded it to the nearest whole dollar. So then you have Cristiano Ronaldo, who's a famous soccer player. He has 91.4 million followers on Twitter. So 91.4 million followers, I would go over to my x-axis. Oh my goodness, I have to go pretty far. There's 80, there's 100. And then I'm going to go all the way up to my red line, which is my line of best fit. And I'm going to try to find 91, what was it? 91.4. 91.4, I'm getting closer. There it is. Oh my gosh. So he would get paid $250,000 just to tweet about products. 250814. This is a prediction. This doesn't mean that's how much he's getting paid. That just means that according to the rest of the data, maybe that's how much he should be paid based on the number of followers. Then there's me. I have 160 million followers, or 160 followers, which is actually 0.00016 million. So pretty small. So how much money should I get paid? Well, if I go back down to my x-axis, you can see like I have to zoom in pretty close in order to find out 0.00016. So where's my line? 0.00016 means practically nothing. So it's going to be somewhere around $2,000. But I could also use this equation. I know that my M is 2721. My B is 2114, and I got that from these two numbers right here. I'm looking for 0.00016.